Welcome to Edniedawt. In this video, I'm come to teach you how to color grade this photo. So I'm come to teach you how to change this photo into this right here. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. Let's get started. We have a beautiful photo of this woman. So we use the shortcut Ctrl 0 or Command 0 on the Mac, and you duplicate the layer by the shortcut Ctrl J. Okay, so we name this layer edit. This layer edit. Okay, so then we first open the curves adjustment layer. So you come to this, please, and you click on curves. So bring it here. Now we lower the contrast a little bit for the contrast and increase the highlight. We go to selective color, and here we are come to tweak the colors. So we lower the cyan and increase the magenta, and then increase the magenta a little bit. We increase the yellows as well. Okay, so you see how the photo is becoming now. Then we go to the yellow channel, lower the cyan, increase the magenta as well, then increase the yellows. It is about right. We go to greens, we lower the cyan, increase the magenta, and increase the yellows as well. It may differ for other photos. So we're done here. We open the hues adjustment layer. This adjustment layer we send to about -3 or -3 will do. We increase the saturation a little bit. We go to the vibrance adjustment layer. So vibrance increases the colors. It boosts the colors of it boosts the muted colors of an image and leaves the ones which are already saturated the same. So right now we come to boost. You see, boosting this about right. So now we create a new layer and use the shortcut key Shift Ctrl Alt E. It merges all the layers into one. Then we convert it to a smart filter. Convert for smart filters. So my PC is a little slow, so bear with me. Convert for smart filters. Then we open camera raw. The picture is already okay, but you gotta do some little tweaks in camera raw. So in camera raw, we increase the exposure of the image, brighten it a little, increase the contrast a little bit. Increase the highlights a little bit, and also make the shadows lighter a little bit, and we maybe increase the vibrance just a touch. So you can also add effects like vignette, and okay, I just want to show you how to do it. So when vignetting, you decrease the amount to 0 and to -100 and the feather to 0 to get a clearer view of it. Then so you can adjust the midpoint and the roundness of the vignette. Then you start to increase the amount to take away the blackness or darkness to, to the one that suits you. Then increase the feather. Yeah, so that's it. I don't know whether I'm gonna use it, but this is how you add the vignette. Okay, we should just leave it like this. So what a change! Whoa. Okay, so this almost there. There's it. This is how you color grade. So first, so right now you can merge this layer. Clicking on the first layer, hold shift and click on the last layer, and Control G to merge this layer into a group, to group them. Then you can also name the group edit. And so this was the before, and this is the after. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you. See you in the next video. Peace.